Hi viewers, Amanat Small Steps Studio channel. Sorry, last Friday I couldn't able to make the video because of the out of abrupt climate change. I got fever, so that is the reason. Still, I'm not completely alright, but still manageable. So in between our analysis today, the cough will be there. So please tolerate. Okay, we'll go to the analysis. Market mantra. Money mantra. Money is not everything, but everything needs money. Absolutely correct. Currencies portrayed RBI reference rate according to the RBI reference rate USDINR is 82 rupees 88 paise, Yen 56 rupees 73 paise, GBP 103 rupees 74 paise, Euro 88 rupees 95 paise. And now we will see the chart. So if you see the euro previous close is 89 rupees and opening is 89, almost flat opening. You can see at close to close basis it closed with 21 paise positively. If you see the 5-minute chart at the opening, almost flat opening we said. So it was in the sideways movement until 3 o'clock. Then there was a very good breakout. So yeah. So in 4 candles it is from 89 to it reached 89.20. So almost it is retained that movement we can see. So end to end it is close to 21 paise positively, close to close basis. If you see the position, so it was in the downside till now. Now it was that trend is reversing. If you see on the EMA, it closed above the 20 EMA. One thing, so still the crossover not happened, but still we can one indication it is closed above the 20 EMA. So the underlying indicator our ADX what it says, so that also says so far it was below 15 mark the best EMA. Now it is came up nearly 20. Now it's at 20 line. So here also it is getting the momentum. Similarly, if you see that minus DMI, it's keep coming down. So if it breaks, definitely this crossover happen. So that happens definitely. There are a lot of possibilities zero will come up. If that comes, the first level would be 90 30. So this level definitely it will there are a lot of chances are there. So this about euro. Now we will see GBP. So GBP previous close 103.67. So opening 103.70, almost flat opening we can see. The close to close basis 28.28 paise positively. If you see here that small gap up, then it was completely a slow rally we can see. So similar to euro at exactly at 3 o'clock, abruptly it is came up. But one thing is the euro sustained that whatever that this rally almost it is sustained, but it couldn't sustain. Again, it came down to the longest travel level for the day. It touched and again closed at 103.96. So if you see the position, so it was in the downtrend. Now if you see the crossover happened, but though it is crossover happened, both are in the above 20 line mark. So if it is both the EMA DMA are in 20 line mark, it is in the sideways indicator. It is indecisive. None of the thing doesn't have a strength. Both have equal strength we can say. So either in DMA has to break the 20 line, then only the which DMA in the upper side the direction will be. But I think there are a lot of possibilities. Market may go the plus DMA, the moment will continue. Minus DMA penetrates the 20 mark line. So we will see what our dollar index is. We will get some confirmation while we are analyzing the dollar index chart. Now we will see JPYINR. So JPYINR previous close is 56.56, opening is 56.82, almost 25 points gap up. At close to close basis 22 point positively close. So more than quite less than the gap up it is finished. Let me see the chart. See the gap up again, it is rallied very well. From the open 50 to 82, again it has gone to 57.02, but couldn't sustain that. Again it has come down and closed at 56.78. But anyway, in close to close basis 22 PC positively it is closed. If you see the positional, this is in the indecisive stage, we can see. If you see the DMI, both are in the above 20 line mark, and the close happened below the both the EMI. So it is very much indecisive. So we have to wait and see before taking the position. Now we will see USDINR. USDINR previous close is 83.07, open 83.05, almost flat opening, but couldn't able to sustain. It has come down at end to end, close to close basis, just a 2 piece positively closed. If you see, very well came down. Then again similarly it has recovered completely. It's recovered. So very good show we can see. But still it's saying it clearly says that the intraday indicator, it is the upper side has the upper hand, we can see. So we have to see the 60 minutes. So if you see here, so whatever the down did happen, again it is completely it is recovered. So that means again it trying to go on the upper side only. So this may be a pullback or mean like a reverse mean reversion kind of, we can see. Again it trying to go up. So we have to see. So this it maybe go till 83.20 or this level. It has to break this zone, then it will go 83.50. Else it will come down again. Okay, now we will see USDINR option chain. So today spot rate RBI reference is 80 to 80. So as per the RBI reference rate, now we will see where the possibilities are close. So according to the RBI reference rate, now it is here. So whether it will close between 82, 87, 83, we will see the call open interest. If you see the call open interest, yes, it may close this level because the open interest is very high here. So if it goes above this, all become in the money. So writer doesn't like that. So with respect to today's open interest compared to call, so it closes here. So we have to consider the put open interest also with that. If you see here, so it's a very huge open interest here, but it is in the money. So writer doesn't like that. So with that sense, it may close above it. So the probability as on today, this is the pace between 83 to 83.12, it may close. So still 3 more days are there. Anything can happen in 3 days. So this is as on today open interest scenario. This is the position. We have to see, wait and see how the rest of the days it goes. I am the boss. Yes, dollars. See the dollar and big gap down, and still it keep going down. So the indicator also clearly show that it is dominant, and plus they may completely lose this strength and about to penetrate the 20 line. If you see the weekly chart, so it could begin of the week, it shows in the negative. If you say wait and see, but still it is to crosses this level. So then only the possibilities are there. I don't think so. According to this, it loses the strength. Maybe this week, if near flat week, it may close. So another possibility, major possibility, it may come down. A small diversion, it may come down, or it may touch this channel support. Now this becomes a support. So maybe it respect this support. So you will at the time of it respects this. During this time, the euro and GPP may go. So while we see that analysis, I said that we will confirm this in the US dollar index. So now it confirmed that the GPP and euro may go in the fair side. So with this we close this video. It is for the educational purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Do your own analysis and take your own decision with the help of your SEBI registered advisor. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like.